Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. I have the camera facing into the sun, so looking west. So as I face south here, the sun is to my right, and it's fairly strong, fairly apparent, unclouded. And to my left is the shadowed side, right? So I'll probably be in pretty much silhouette for you. So the idea to practice here is when I'm practicing a form or a drill, perhaps something that turns me around, moves me like a form usually does. What I want to do is just take the encouragement of the yin side, the side that's in shadow, and sort of double down on um, my assertion of yin in that side of the body. I'm not going to try and make my bright side more yang, the sunny side, but I'm going to use the feel of the sun to remind me to soften the yin side. And then, of course, since the form is turning me around, then I'm going to do it here, or here it's my posterior. I'm going to be making yin. If I happen to be turning this way in the form, right? I guess it's posterior here, but it was anterior here. So thinking of feeling the sun on the body and letting that encourage you to consider the side of the body that the sun's not on. Like, very easy for me to feel the sun and feel warmed and thinking, wow, it's sunny and it's summer and it's springtime and it feels nice and doesn't that warm, which is all fine. But here I want to kind of use that to say, okay, what's the shadowed side? Can I use that sensation to encourage my reassertion or doubling down of the yin quality? So thank you very much. And remember, yin is where it's at.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.